And now playing April showers around the noontime hour. We started to see some light rain roll in. It's been with us ever since. We're still going to deal with a lot more rain here tonight. And so far the rain's been fairly light. Currently we're talking about rainfall rates of just over 1/10 of an inch per hour. But we could certainly have some heavier downpours late tonight, maybe even a rumble of thunder overnight. All this in advance of an approaching area of low pressure that's out to our west. But severe weather is well to our south. We're not anticipating that. In terms of rainfall, I think many locations will end up between a half to upwards to an inch of rain taking us through tomorrow. There's the raindrops on the camera lens from the Charlottesville camera, and we take a look at some numbers. Most locations this afternoon only made it into the upper 50s, and right now we're in the low and middle 50s. Some of the rainfall amounts are generally under 2/10 of an inch thus far, and temperatures really won't drop off all that much tonight with the saturated air mass in place. There'll be some areas of fog, so most of us in the low 50s. There could be a few upper 40s. There'll be some areas of fog as mentioned, and then tomorrow morning showers are going to taper off pretty early. We'll likely see some breaks in the cloud cover, giving us some sunshine. It'll turn breezy, but we have a front to come through, and that could touch off an afternoon shower, thunder shower, but it'll be a milder day. Again, we could have some gusts tomorrow over 20. Now, looking at the weekend, currently much of Saturday does look dry, but we get into Saturday evening, overnight, and into early Sunday, our next bout of rain, maybe even a thunderstorm or two, and then we'll turn breezy on Sunday. So it's sort of like the pattern repeating itself that we're seeing tonight into earlier tomorrow. So that's a look at the weekend currently. We could be looking at maybe another inch of rain during that time as well. Area of low pressure is back here across western and Kentucky and western Tennessee. That'll be working in our general direction. Main cold front is still back across portions of the mid-south. Severe weather across the Florida Peninsula, back into portions of Alabama as this line of storms races off to the east here tonight. Tornado watch is in effect for that portion of the country. But it will still deal with the rain here tonight. Again, Futurecast showing that maybe some heavier downpours from time to time. Here we are around the midnight hour and beyond, still dealing with ongoing showers. In the morning, we start in the low and mid 50s. Then we're likely to catch a break where we see a little bit of sunshine, but then closer toward noon, early afternoon, we pop that shower or thunderstorm as the front races off to the east. The winds pick up, upper 60s, lower 70s, and at least partly cloudy skies going into late tomorrow night and early Saturday. We'll start Saturday morning in the 40s. Now we'll hold on to a fair amount of clouds. We'll call it mostly to variably cloudy here on Saturday, but much of the rain kind of holds off until Saturday evening. We're in the low and middle 60s, and then here we are Saturday night, overnight into early Sunday with that next bout of rain working through, maybe a thunderstorm. Then that system will begin to push offshore, but that could be another soaker as well, an inch or so of rain. We'll deal with more rain here tonight, areas of fog, most of us in the lower 50s. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, some morning showers, an afternoon shower or thunderstorm possible tomorrow. It is breezy. Then much of Saturday dry before the next round of rain rolls in into early Sunday. Some drier times early next week before more showers and storms by the middle of next week.